Hello everyone! Navigating through a sea of products to find the perfect Amazon work tools can be overwhelming. That's why this video is here. Today, I'll be introducing a list of the most innovative, amazing new tools on Amazon that have just been launched. Metabo Air Compressor. Portable compressors are convenient, but many lose momentum once demanding tools enter the picture. The Metabo HPT The Tank takes a different approach by combining a maximum pressure of 200 psi with a generous 6-gallon reservoir, allowing more work before the motor cycles back on. Producing 4 CFM at 90 psi, it can support several nailers at the same time without noticeable lag. Despite its professional output, the unit weighs only 42 pounds, making it practical for framing crews, roofers, and home renovation projects alike. It's a smart example of balancing portability with real job site performance. Multi-tool. Traditional rifle maintenance usually requires a cluttered workbench of improvised picks just to tackle stubborn carbon crust. The standout feature of this Carbon Boss tool is its unique triangular layout, which smartly utilizes every surface to match the exact geometry of internal components. Engineered from durable metal, with dimensions of 10 by 6.5 inches, it incorporates labeled stations for 223 caliber components, including a bolt, lug scraper, cam pin tool, and an interior carrier cleaner. It even integrates a built-in cotter pin puller that doubles as an extractor scraper. It is perfect for armorers facing heavy buildup after long training sessions. Cabinet clamps. Cabinet installation often comes down to tiny alignment errors that become obvious once the doors are installed. These face frame clamps are designed to eliminate that problem by holding adjacent cabinets flush while also guiding the drill bit into the correct position. With a 4-inch opening capacity, compatibility with 1 1/2 inch to 2-inch styles, and a rigid cast steel frame, they stay stable even under demanding clamping pressure. Whether you're building a custom kitchen or upgrading garage storage, they help speed up installation while producing cleaner, more professional-looking results. Woodpecker's tools. Drilling at an angle usually means sacrificing accuracy, with the drill bit often wandering away from your layout marks. The Woodpecker's Auto Angle Drill Guide tackles that issue with a unique virtual pivot system that keeps the drill bit entering the material at the exact same point, even when adjusting from vertical up to 40 degrees. A built-in fence, adjustable guide rods, and alignment stops make repeated hole placement much easier. It's especially useful for cabinet makers, furniture builders, and precision woodworkers who rely on consistent results. Manual spreader. Broadcasting seed or fertilizer by hand often leads to uneven coverage, wasted material, and extra time spent fixing missed spots. The Huiman 24-volt lithium-ion chest spreader is designed to deliver a more controlled application with an adjustable feed system and a proprietary spinning disc that distributes material up to 20 feet away. Its 35-pound hopper reduces refill interruptions, while the 24-volt battery provides up to 3 hours of continuous runtime. Combined with a comfortable shoulder harness, it's a practical tool for lawn care, food plots, and year-round property maintenance. Multi-purpose blocks. Anyone who has balanced a board on random scraps of wood knows how unstable that setup can become. Craig project blocks provide a more reliable solution by creating a sturdy, elevated platform for cutting, clamping, sanding, or finishing. Their hexagonal shape prevents unexpected movement, while the GripMax non-slip surface keeps projects firmly in place. With a combined load capacity of 200 pounds and retractable painter's points for finishing work, they're equally useful for woodworking professionals and weekend makers. Sometimes, improving accuracy starts with improving your work surface. Recon M1. Measuring every board with a tape measure before each cut can slow production and introduce small errors that add up over an entire project. The Recon M1 caliber replaces that routine with a digital measuring system that mounts directly to your miter saw fence. As material slides beneath the measuring wheel, a large backlit LCD displays real-time measurements in imperial or metric units, eliminating the need for repeated marking. Compatible with most miter and chop saws, it helps carpenters and woodworkers achieve faster, more consistent cuts while keeping their workflow organized. Nozzle for dispensing. Applying air barrier sealant with a trowel can be slow, messy, and difficult to keep consistent over long seams. The Albion ribbon bead nozzle offers a faster approach by dispensing a smooth 1/8 inch thick ribbon directly from a caulking gun. Its opening starts at 2 inches wide and can be trimmed in 1/2 inch increments to create patterns up to 4 inches across, giving users more flexibility on different jobs. Compatible with sausage, bulk, and cartridge dispensing systems, it's a practical accessory for contractors looking to improve both speed and consistency. Metal shear. Cutting sheet metal with manual tin snips can quickly leave your wrists sore and exhausted on a busy job site. This specialized attachment solves that pain point by converting your cordless drill into a motorized shear. Its standout feature is a 360-degree pivoting head that allows you to maneuver around tight spots or change cutting hands effortlessly. Built with a standard 1/4 inch hex shank, it slots right into your 18 or 20 volt impact driver to slice through 18 gauge sheet metal, ductwork, or vinyl siding. Roofers and HVAC technicians will find this incredibly useful for making fast, clean cuts. Concealed hinge jig. If you have ever tried to align kitchen cabinet doors manually, you know how frustrating a fraction of an inch of error can be. This precision drilling guide simplifies the process by ensuring every single concealed hinge fits snugly and perfectly parallel. What sets it apart is the clever adjustable alignment system, which completely eliminates the need for tedious manual measuring and layout lines. The tool features built-in indexing cams supporting multiple offset distances, including 3, 4, 5, and 6 millimeters, giving you total compatibility with most major hardware brands. Holmatro-Pentheon. Trying to cut, thread, or weld pipe without a secure grip can quickly turn into a frustrating and even unsafe task. The Moforn screw bench chain vise is built to hold pipes ranging from 1/8 inch to 5 inches in diameter, keeping them firmly in place while you work. Its heavy-duty cast iron frame, durable steel chain, and neoprene-coated jaws provide a strong hold while helping protect pipe surfaces from unnecessary damage. Maca laser measure. The Meka All-in-One Pro Laser Measure completely redefines how we approach structural scanning and layout tasks on the job site. We have all experienced that moment of hesitation before drilling into drywall, terrified of accidentally striking a hidden copper pipe or a live electrical wire. To solve this device integrates a multi-material stud finder alongside an advanced infrared thermal imager right into your layout routine. It accurately identifies steel rebar, wooden studs, and active cables hidden beneath drywall, while the onboard cross-laser level helps you line up your fixtures perfectly straight. If you are a general contractor or a dedicated DIY enthusiast managing home renovations, this tool eliminates the guesswork and saves valuable time. It keeps your projects precise and your structural changes entirely safe. Hand sander. Anyone who's sanded drywall by hand knows the biggest challenge isn't the sanding, it's the cloud of dust left behind. This vacuum-assisted hand sander helps minimize that issue by pulling debris directly through the 120 grit sanding screen and into an attached vacuum hose. The soft rubber grip improves comfort during extended use, while the 6.5-foot hose and integrated adapter fit many common vacuum systems. It's particularly useful for indoor renovation projects, where keeping furniture, floors, and air cleaner can save hours of post-job cleanup. Copper press tool. Joining plumbing pipes the traditional way often means dealing with open flames, lengthy preparation, and time-consuming cleanup. The Milwaukee M18 Force Logic press tool replaces soldering, threading, and welding with a cordless pressing system that creates secure connections in seconds. Powered by an M18 red lithium battery, its auto cycle automatically completes every press, while a green LED confirms the connection was finished correctly. Compatible with more than 20 fitting systems and pipe sizes ranging from 1/2 inch to 2 inches, it's an efficient solution for plumbers, mechanical contractors, and commercial installers working under tight deadlines. Built hard. Safety often becomes a concern when handling powerful wood-splitting equipment, particularly for occasional users. This built hard splitter addresses that with a two-hand operating system, helping ensure both hands stay in safe positions during every splitting cycle. The 15-amp electric motor delivers reliable hydraulic power while eliminating fuel storage and exhaust emissions. Built to split logs up to 20.5 inches long, it's well suited for residential wood piles, fireplaces, and outdoor fire pits. It's an example of how electric tools continue making demanding outdoor jobs more approachable.